Hi everyone, my name is Sim Shi Liang. My matrix number is 08DEP23F1116. Today I will show you guys the process of cleaning a air purifier. So first I have to turn off the power and unplug it from the power source. So you can see now I have unplugged it from the air purifier and the power source. And now for the second step, I have to remove the front panel from the air purifier. So this step we have to carefully avoid to damage. So now you can see I have already removed it, and also I have to remove the filter from air purifier. And now I have to use the cloth to clean the front panel. Actually, you can use the water to clean this front panel, but this front panel I use just dry cloth. And also the control panel also need to clean. And now I have to use the vacuum to clean the filter. This may be more noisy. So now I already clean it and just some hair. And now I have to use the cloth to clean the inside of the air purifier. And now I have to check the fan of the air purifier. And now I have to clean the air vent and also clean the exterior of the air purifier. So now I have to re-plug the filter at the air purifier. So this model is the filter is already 3-in-1. So it's very easy for plug in. Oh sorry, I have to clean the extrude the filter. And then it is the front panel. And now I have to replug the wire. For this step is finally, and this step is I have to check the situation. Is it okay or work? So now it is okay or okay for running. Okay, so it's done. Okay, thank you for watching.